Foreign is not a bed of roses, fam. Foreign rough. You hear me? But hear what? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to SoFlo TV again. If you've never been here before, welcome. Let's get right into this story. The Gleaner has it that Southside mourns as a Jamaican is shot in Brooklyn. Now, when this story happened first, I saw the story and I said, let me wait first and see if more comes out. Like they caught the suspect and the suspect explained this was a love triangle, or this was she dissed me, or something like that. Was the shooter a Jamaican as well? Meaning it would be Jamaican killing Jamaican overseas, etc. We've had quite a few of those cases, but none of that has happened so far. However, full detail has come out about the situation. So I'm going to talk about the situation now. See? Start out and goes like this. Tough situation. Fleet Street and the community of Southside and Central Kingston are mourning the tragic death of Tarsia Tanny. This is according to the Gleaner. Tarsia Tanny McLean Lysius, who was shot in the head, reportedly by another woman. It's not reportedly. I saw the video. It's a woman shooter. See? I saw the video. The person who was filming the video looked like they were also trying to adhere to street code at the same time. Or maybe they were just trying to duck the gunshot, make sure they didn't get hit, so they didn't get a clear shot of the shooter. But we saw the altercation on video, and most of you have probably seen the video by now at this point. McLean Lysius, she was 44 years old. She was a patient care professional, and she was also a event promoter, LPN, CNN, and a professional promoter. She had lived in the United States for more than a decade, and she is the daughter of a late popular dancehall promoter named Elaine Frenchie Robinson. Elaine Frenchie Robinson died January 5th from cancer, and her life was celebrated in a grand funeral in New York. McLean Lysius, the one who was shot recently, her daughter, family and friends were in somber mood at their Southside home on Monday. Her sister Carla McLean's eyes were swollen from the constant crying, because she just lost her mom and now she's looking to bury her sister. She said, quote unquote, "I just lose my mother, in January, and come lose my sister in August now. My mother was a dance icon. She keep boat ride and them something there. Today, pick up from her. Tanny just keep a boat ride in July," she said, referring to her sister who was killed in New York. She's uncertain about what transpired between her sister and the alleged attacker, but she remembers her sister as being older than her, but a jovial person. Tanny is a little nice girl, she's a comedian. She loves to give drama and she loves wine. Yeah, wine up herself and them something there. McLean said of her siblings. Sitting in her fence, which was emblazoned with photos of her deceased mom, McLean showed our news team, which is the Gleaner, a video of the altercation between her sister and the suspect seconds before she was shot. We also have that same video somewhere in the chat room because it was posted the time this happened, right? So it's a bit lost in the chat now, but for those who are in our chat room on WhatsApp might have seen it. It was the video where there were two women having an altercation outside. There were people around. It was nighttime, and one of the women was seen in the video picking up a bottle and chasing the other woman, and then we heard gunshots. I said to myself, if the person who was being chased with the bottle is the one that fired the gunshot, this could turn out to be a justified killing. Because if you're chasing me with a gun, if you're chasing me with a bottle, and I fire to defend myself, then I could very well be in my right to defend my life, right? However, if the gun is illegal, then I might still face time for illegal possession of a firearm and still have to do some time. But I couldn't work out who was chasing who. But hold on. Her sister said she'll walk out the girl and the girl will walk her down. When she see the gun, she'll run and the girl start run her down. That's what her sister said. She said that her sister left Jamaica for a better life and she worked hard to care for her children, two of whom reside with her in the US. Jamaica, Jamaica, sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya. Yeah man, listen, my SoFlo TV audience, take a break real quick. I got this channel I have to tell you about. This channel is called Maurice Kingpin channel on YouTube. Click the link in the description and go over to the channel. His channel focuses on highlighting beautiful places around Jamaica as he travels across the island, right? Beautiful Jamaica to be seen in a way you've probably never seen it before. None of us are really taking helicopter rides around the island to see it from a different angle. We land at the airport and we go about our business, right? And we view it from the ground. He's viewing it from the ground too. But also, even if you've taken many trips to Jamaica, I guarantee you that there are places that he's been that you have not been. So check out his videos. Enjoy the ride through beautiful, scenic Jamaica from an angle that you've never done it before. Travel vicariously and enjoy these relaxing videos that he has up on his channel, showing Jamaica in a good light. It's not a killy channel. It's nothing to show in negativity. It is all something to relax you and to even jog some of you memories who haven't been back in a while. You can actually look through his videos and say, wow, this place has developed. Wow, when I was a child, this place used to look this way. Now it looks that way. That kind of thing, you know. Vicariously travel through his channel. I am inviting you to do so because I'm over there doing it and I want to share that with you. McLean she dismissed claims that a love triangle or cycling mishap is what sparked the dispute. In the video, the accused is seen flicking a cigarette butt at the victim. The shooter flick one cigarette butt after her, you know. She take up the cigarette butt. She throw the cigarette butt back on the ground and pick up a bottle and started chasing the woman, started advancing towards the woman, not chasing her. This whole thing, we were told, the Jamaican, she threw a party. And inside of the party now, she had nice up the place, you know, she's known to be festive and things. So she was riding through the party on a bicycle. She ended up like a girl with the bicycle in the party. The girl and she start to argue in the party and it spilled to outside. Some people said they actually started arguing and then she hit her with the bicycle while they were arguing. And it ended up outside. Now when it ended up outside, the girl who she hit with the bicycle in the party was smoking a cigarette. She flicked the cigarette after her. She picked up the cigarette, threw it back down on the ground, and picked up a bottle. So it was her that picked up the bottle and started moving towards the girl, or the woman. Then you see the video cut. And then the video restart again with what appears to be a firearm being drawn by the person who she was advancing towards with the bottle. The person that was recording the video then seemingly takes cover. So the footage is kind of shaky. The incident happened in full view of others as screams of, "She got a gun! She about to shoot!" You could be heard. You could hear the people "Oh shit, she about to shoot her, dog. She gonna shoot her for real. She got a gun." And then pop, you hear some pop. In the 81-second recording, persons are heard saying, "She bodied her, son. She bodied her." To body somebody means you killed her. And then you heard them saying, "Get some help, call 911, whatever." McLean, who watched the video repeatedly, said that she shared a light moment with her sister just a few hours during a phone call Saturday, hours before the shooting. A resident at neighboring Gold Street said she was shocked to hear that McLean Lysius, with whom she grew up, was killed in New York. Police reports are that the shooting occurred about 5 a.m. in the early morning. Party done, people are go home. At the party spot, Heart of Love in Liberty Avenue. Ah, man, this is always like so ironic. I was just saying this morning on a live show on SoFlo TV. I said, it's funny how these murders happen in places. You can't make this up. It's the irony. Triple murder on Love Lane, a street called Love Lane, and a triple murder goes down there. Right here, this party spot is called Hearts of Love on Liberty Avenue near Williams Avenue in East New York. Hearts of Love. And she's murdered, killed at Hearts of Love. McLean Lysius was taken to the Brookdale Hospital, but she was pronounced dead. After the incident, the suspect reportedly fled the scene in a black Nissan Murano SUV with paper plates on it. No arrests have been made so far, and investigators are going in with the investigation, trying to find out more, and that's where it's at for now. We'll just have to wait to see. Dan says, "Just killing. No one has any other solution to their issues. Damn shame." Lucky G says, "Oh yeah, there was a lot of shooting last weekend in Brooklyn. Very sorry to hear that somebody from Yard get killed." Somebody else said, "Yep, typical Jamaican. Don't know how to walk away. She had a bicycle. She could have rode her ass away. She stayed there arguing with the woman. She picks up a bottle and goes after her. What does she expect? If you pick up a bottle and come after me, I'm thinking you about to break the bottle, stab me in my neck, kill me or something. So if I got a gun on me, I'm going to use the gun to defend myself." These are people talking. Either way, it's a sad situation. I don't know. From what you heard from this video, do you think that she kind of called down death on herself, caused it by her actions? Or do you think that the person who did it deserves to pay? Leave your comments in the comment section below. At the same time, we send our condolences to her family, because regardless of what, I'm sure that's not what she went out to do that night, to throw her life away. But that's what ended up happening. I'll catch y'all on the next video. It's SoFlo TV. I'm out. Peace.
Good, show love, show respect, show appreciation. I am down 4 dress sizes.
Alright, my SoFlo TV audience, have a look at this. And I want you to go over to this channel and support this channel. Miss Bev's Productions and Weight Loss Journey. Miss Bev's Productions and Weight Loss Journey was first created when the COVID pandemic started to support students with math. Miss Bev is a math teacher and has been so for quite some time. Very quickly, she started doing other things for motivational reasons. She's a motivational person. One of her daughters suggested that since she was trying to change some things in her life to support her weight loss, which, her weight had gotten a bit out of control, like a lot of us did during the pandemic. She had surgery, and because of the discomfort with movements, gained a lot of weight. COVID happened, weight ballooned to 321 pounds. So she started this weight loss journey, which included walking, cooking, singing, poetry, uplifting, t-shirts, and finally adding to the pot is Grandma's Reading Corner after the birth of her second grandchild. So this channel is pretty much a one-stop shop. Even your child can tune in and get something educational from a highly educated individual who is also very much motivational. Go over to Miss Bev's Productions and Weight Loss Journey, her channel, hit that subscribe button, and tell her SoFlo TV sent you. Alright, so let's take a quick commercial break and let me highlight this product for you. Organic, 100% natural Jamaican product for you. Made in Portland, Jamaica, home of jerk. F&M, located in Rio Grande Valley of Fellowship, Portland, Jamaica. The official rollout or unveiling will take place October 23rd to the 28th at Price Mart in Kingston, Jamaica. At this location on these days, they will be hosting a road show in Price Mart where they will have tasting and official introduction of their products. After that week of roadshow, the products will be available in Price Mart in Kingston and local supermarkets in Port Antonio, Portland. They will also be available on the web. Their website link will be posted right here, pinned in the comment section at fnmspices.com. Click the link and get you some of this authentic 100% natural Jamaican product. Yes, overseas shipping is available, and they have 3 products. They have the F&M Spices jerk sauce, they have the F&M Spices dried jerk seasoning, and they have the F&M wet jerk seasoning marinade. They are on IG, FB, which is Facebook, and they have an official website. Their slogan is taste and flavor matters, and you already know how we stay already as Caribbean people. Taste and flavor matters. This is a family-owned business with quality that is parallel to, or even I would say superseding, the larger companies. You have to look into this one. All right, so give them a look. That's F&M Spices. Them thing look turn up for real. May I show you up? Come here. All right, my SoFlo TV audience, let's take a break for a second and let me promote Wifey's channel. A lot of people don't know I have a wife, and those who know I have a wife still don't know who my wife is, so they're asking, who is SoFlo's wife? Okay, I need you to go over to her channel and hit that subscribe button. She does hair, makeup, fashion, life vlogs, mommy vlogs, sponsored content, product reviews with codes that you can use to shop and get huge discounts and all that, and her channel is probably more for the ladies, but there's something there for everyone. She used to be called Shakira's Fair. She used to be called Brains in the Beat on YouTube, but she changed her name, and after she changed her name, I don't know what happened to her algorithms. Anyhow, here she is. Hit that subscribe button. When you go to her channel, tell her your man sent me over here, and vibe to her content. All right, let's get back to our scheduled program at hand. Jamaica, sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya. Yeah man, listen, my SoFlo TV audience, take a break real quick. I got this channel I have to tell you about. This channel is called Maurice Kingpin channel on YouTube. Click the link in the description and go over to the channel. His channel focuses on highlighting beautiful places around Jamaica as he travels across the island, right? Beautiful Jamaica to be seen in a way you've probably never seen it before. None of us are really taking helicopter rides around the island to see it from a different angle. We land at the airport and we go about our business, right? And we view it from the ground. He's viewing it from the ground too. But also, even if you've taken many trips to Jamaica, I guarantee you that there are places that he's been that you have not been. So check out his videos. Enjoy the ride through beautiful, scenic Jamaica from an angle that you've never done it before. Travel vicariously and enjoy these relaxing videos that he has up on his channel, showing Jamaica in a good light. It's not a killy channel. It's nothing to show in negativity. It is all something to relax you and to even jog some of you memories who haven't been back in a while. You can actually look through his videos and say, wow, this place has developed. Wow, when I was a child, this place used to look this way. Now it looks that way. That kind of thing, you know. Vicariously travel through his channel. I am inviting you to do so because I'm over there doing it and I want to share that with you. So it's the Morris Kingpin channel on YouTube. Go click that link I will put in the description and pinned as the first